Ever accidentally ruined a surprise? That's what we call spilling the beans. Stick around to learn what it means and how to use it. Spill the beans means to reveal a secret, or give away information, especially when it was supposed to stay hidden. Let's see how it's used.
We were all set for Tom's surprise birthday, but John spilled the beans and told him about it.
No more surprise.
I think we'll be promoted soon, but I don't want to spill the beans before it's official.
Smart move, better to keep it quiet for now.
Did you know? This idiom might come from ancient Greece, where beans were used to vote. If someone spilled the beans, the results were revealed. Now, let's see if you got it. Which sentence uses spill the beans correctly? Is it he spilled the beans and told everyone about the surprise, or she spilled the beans and made lunch? The correct answer is he spilled the beans and told everyone about the surprise. That's all for today. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun idioms like this one. And if you've ever spilled the beans, let me know in the comments.